Hello to all my beautiful viewers out there. Today I'm going to be talking about how to get your antisocial social club orders shipped as soon as possible. Okay. So some of you have probably got some questions just to start off with. You're probably gone, Daniel, is this the cancelled hoodie? Well, yep, from what the packet says, this is the cancelled hoodie. And your second question probably is Daniel, are you going to unbox that cancelled hoodie in this video? No. Unfortunately, I am not going to be unboxing the hoodie in this video. I'm going to be unboxing it in the next video. This video is exclusively for how I managed to get this shipped to me quicker, and it was thanks to you guys actually who were recommending me ways of doing that in the comment section below. Now some of you are also probably wondering like, Daniel, what the hell are you on about? Nobody in the comment section was recommending you ways how to get your antisocial social club thing shipped quicker. Well, actually, you guys were. If you go back to my video on why the antisocial social club shipping takes so long, which if you haven't watched, subscribe to the channel guys and definitely go check that video out. It describes the whole idea that upcoming items from newer collections are pre-orders, and items that get released every collection sometimes are in stock but also most likely are going to be pre-orders as well. It explains all that, so that's a really good video to watch if you're confused on why it takes so long. Now in that comment section of that video, we had a discussion with a couple of the people in the comments talking about, oh, well, even though it is a pre-order, some orders get shipped quicker than others. Why is that the case? And we deducted that people that decided to go back to the Antisocial Social Club website and message them about the order generally get it shipped out to them quicker than people that just leave the order. So I bought the hoodie back in July 7th, which looking at it now is like 2 months ago, and it's like, oh my god, wow, okay. And I was looking at the Antisocial Social Club website, and it said that all the orders have a business production time of 30 to 90 days. Now, I discussed in my shipping video how I think they should handle that. If Antisocial Social Club has a production time of 30 to 90 days for items, I personally think they should wait till everything's produced, then sell it on their store. Now I get their whole idea that like they want to do the collections for like fall winter of 2019, but then they're like, oh, if we waited the 90 days, it'd be past fall winter 19 in order to release the collection. Like I get that. If that's the case where they want to produce it, but they want it out by a certain time, I would say on all the items that you haven't produced, put it as a pre-order. Now I know heaps of people are like, that's a horrible way to handle it, blah blah blah. I think honestly, any of these suggestions that I'm giving you right now is a better way for Antisocial Social Club to handle their shipping situation than just leaving it as, oh, you can buy it and within 90 days it'll get produced and we might send it to you. I don't know, we'll see how it's going. I think they needed a little bit more clarity. I think they needed to clear it up a little bit, because there's a lot of people in the streetwear community that's like, what the heck is Antisocial Social Club, man? It's just such a wacko brand. So, as I said in the comment section below, we're all talking about how people that messaged Antisocial Social Club about their shipping order got the order quicker. Now, what I did once hearing that news, I was like, you know what? There's nothing to lose. I might as well just go to the Antisocial Social Club website and message them and see what's going on. So they have a support page where you can enter in all the details that you have and a message, right? So what I did is in the message section, I was like, oh, hey, Antisocial Social Club team, my order has been ordered for 45 business days. Because remember, their production time was 30 to 90 business days. So that's not including Saturday, Sunday, not including, those days. And obviously, holidays and whatever. So I calculated how many days had been since I ordered it. And I was like, look, it's been about 45 days. What are you guys like? No, I'm not coming off as Superman. What are you guys doing? I was like, could I get an update, please? I wasn't like, really brutal about it. I was like, could I just please get an update? So I asked them, I was like, hey, it's been 45 business days. Could I get an update on my order? And then provided the order number, right? I think that's the key thing. Don't just message them and be like, where's my order? Message them and be like, hey, could I please get an update on order, and then provide your order number. If you don't know how to get your order number, sign in with your account into the website, go to your recent orders, and there'll be order number, and it'll give you a hashtag and then a bunch of numbers. Copy and paste that, and in the messaging support, channel, just be like, hey, as I said, hey, can I get an update on this order, please? Now, The weird thing was the correspondence that I got from Antisocial Social Club. So I messaged them about a week, maybe a week and a half ago. I can't remember exactly when the message was, because when I messaged them, there was no reply. There was no, "Hi Daniel, thanks for messaging us. Hi, blah, 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 blah. Oh, sorry about your order. It was sitting on a table and we totally forgot about it. We'll send it off now." I got literally nothing. What I got is a shipping confirmation. So, I mean, I'm taking this from two different standpoints, right? One, oh, awesome, my order's been shipped out. But, two, there was no correspondence. I didn't receive any. I was asking about a shipping update. I get it that they kind of gave me the shipping update by shipping off the item, but at the same time, kind of would have been nice to get a reply from someone after sending the message. Maybe it's just me. Maybe everyone else that's like watching right now, when you sitting there like 60 days into your orders, like, "Daniel, I honestly don't care. I just want my item now." Honestly, I was getting to that point, but at the same time, it would have been nice to like receive some correspondence back from the Antisocial Social Club team though, right? Anyway, as soon as it got shipped out, I was like, "Oh, great, now it's going to be like another 2.5 weeks," because generally whenever I get a item shipped off from Antisocial Social Club, it's generally like the slowest shipping time possible. Like, not on Antisocial Social Club's behalf, obviously. Once they give it to the shipping company, it's on the shipping company to send it to me. But usually it's about like 2 weeks, right? Like at least 2 weeks. Now, I don't know if just by chance I just had like perfect timing, like I just hit every single green light and it didn't get stopped over it anywhere, you know. It was just like, here's the package, oh, let's hand it off to the next guy, you know. Like, I don't know if that was like purely by luck, but it honestly arrived pretty quickly. So I don't know if messaging them increases the shipping time, like they pick a better shipping option on their behalf, but it seemed to kind of work out that way. Again though, this is like purely speculation on how to get your order to ship quicker, because I didn't get any correspondence. It could have been purely by chance that my message to them also corresponded with finally after like 46 days that they shipped it out. You know, like it totally could have been by coincidence because they never replied to me. But there seems like there's too much coincidence here to not establish correlation. You know, not to say that like messaging them definitely got them processing the order. It kind of just, it's way too far-fetched to just be like, it was by chance. Like, Daniel, your order got sent out after you messaged them purely by chance. They're never going to see your message because there's like 20,000 of them that they got to reply to. Maybe that's the case, but it seemed like, and from the comment section as well on my previous Antisocial Social Club shipping video, it kind of seemed like messaging them just gets the job done. So if you're sitting there, like 50 or something, whatever days in, telling you right now, Antisocial Social Club website, go to it, go straight to the support channel, go, "Hey, could I get a shipping update please on my order?" Provide the order number, because I don't know if it's going to take longer for them to reply without an order number. Don't know. I provided an order number within 24 hours, shipped off. So, don't know. I mean, it's basically what I'm saying is very unconfirmed here, but this is how I personally got it to work for me, and this is how other people in the comment section of my first Antisocial Social Club shipping video got it to work for them. So it seems to be working out for everyone that kind of does it. So I wanted to talk to you guys, especially, about it if you guys were having any issues with the order actually being, you know, shipped off or anything like that. But, hey, it's here. I finally got the cancelled hoodie. So, I mean, this has been a long time waiting, guys. I've been waiting a long time for this, but you know what? Next video, I'll unbox it. I'll unbox the cancelled hoodie. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already to see me unbox this bad boy next. And that's all I've really got to say, guys. I thought I would just do a quick video covering on how I managed to achieve my shipping time being reduced simply just by hitting them up with a message. I don't think hitting them up on Instagram or any of their other socials would work. I think just honestly go to their page and message them. Seriously. Saves you heaps of time, gets your order out. By the looks of it, I know this is super unconfirmed, as I said, could just be by chance, but I reckon it works. You know, I just message them kindly and say, you know what? Could I get a shipping update? Please and thank you. On this order number, bam, bam, bam. They ship it out to you. That's all I gotta say, guys. I thought I'd make a video about it just to talk to you. In the next coming days, I'm going to make a couple videos about some delays, actually, in sneaker releases. It's only like today, like I woke up this morning, checked Instagram. There are a bunch of shoes that I said were coming out within the next week to 2 weeks that have been delayed for the next 3 to 4 weeks, all the way to like mid-October. It is ridiculous, fellas. So I'll cover all those in the next couple days in the next coming videos. I'll also cover sneaker releases that have been confirmed to come out. Thank God we've got some sneakers that are confirmed to come out, because all these sneakers that allegedly were going to come out have just been delayed for like 2 extra weeks. So that's a bit ridiculous. But either way, subscribe to the channel if you haven't to peep them all out. Let me know in the comment section. I want to have this discussion again like we did with the last Antisocial Social Club video. Did messaging Antisocial Social Club give you better results? Have you already got your items already without messaging them? Let me know in that comment section below. Have your opinions changed ever since buying anything from Antisocial Social Club because of the shipping time? I want to hear it all. I want to hear everything you've got to say in that comment section below, guys. So thank you all for tuning in today, and until next time, guys, I'll catch you later.